back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to set merchant category blocks MCC in quarantine. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to set merchant category blocks in MCC, you must use the controls provided by a specific card issuer or bank, usually through your online banking portal or mobile app. All you gotta do is simply go and tap open your quarantine account. So once you open your quarantine account, you need to simply tap on it and then log in into your account. Once you have logged in, you need to navigate to the card settings. So look for a section related to card controls, spend controls, or manage controls and select the card. So after this, you need to find category restrictions. You need to simply find this and choose categories to block. After you have done this, you need to confirm your selection to apply the blocks. Any future transactions with merchants in the block categories will be declined. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.